Hello everyone. Today is a presentation of a project online crime report management system. We are a team of 4, Rajendra, Aishwarya, Pranay and Vishnu. Um, the main goal of our project is this web application is to provide crime related solutions which are easily accessible to everyone. For example, if a citizen wants to file a crime of any non-emergency, he should visit a police station to file the complaint. And to know the status of the case, he must visit frequently and check his status. This is a time-taking process. So we have developed a web application which gives solution to this. By using our website, citizens can complain crime online. They can also upload pictures and all the relevant information of the case. Once he files complaint, he can also check the status and update any information in the complaint. And the approach which we have followed is we have created a web page where the citizen can register. He needs to register by entering all his details. He can create a username and password. Once the citizen logs into the website with his credentials, he will be redirected to the home page of our application. So here is where he can file his complaint. He will be having multiple options to select. For example, he can select the type of crime, the location, and he can enter the description. So once he submits his complaint, a police officer is assigned to that case based on his location. And once the officer is assigned, later the citizen can check the status by entering their case number. So once the complaint is resolved, the status will be updated to finished or completed, and the user can know the status. Yeah, this is how the registration form looks like. Here, if you see, he can enter his name, email ID, mobile number. He can select the state, subject, and zip code. And based on his zip code, a police officer is assigned to his case. And we have also included additional section, suspicious information, where the user can enter his name and upload any related information to his complaint. So once he uploads the related information, the information will be updated to his complaint and the officer can look through this additional info. So this is how this section helps in resolving the case. Yeah, and next is the how the case is viewed. This will be continued by my friend Vishnu.
So coming to how the case is viewed, we can see the output here. So the case will be assigned to an officer where the officer can log in with his credentials and view the details of the cases assigned to him. And if the officer wants more information about the case, he can also contact the citizen. And once he have any update, he can write the comments and change the status of the case from pending to solved. Coming to checking the status of the case, this is how the status of the case will be viewed by the police officer. The user can log in with his name and mobile number to check the case, to check the status of the case, and the citizen can also check the status of the case at any time, and he can also reach to the officer if needed. Coming to the technology stack that we have used, front-end development. In the front-end development, we use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. For the backend, we have used PHP, and we use the XAMPP server for the server and MySQL as the database. What are the disadvantages of the existing system? Existing system process is time-consuming, and the victim may be afraid of visiting the police station even though he has a problem. Also, the information management is not effective in the existing system. So there is no direct role for the higher officials too. So what are the advantages of the proposed system? Can be viewed here. This system ensures the data accuracy. It has a proper control of the higher officials. It minimizes the manual data entry. It takes minimum time needed for the various processing. It has greater efficiency and better service, user-friendly interface, and very interactive to the user, and also it takes very minimum time required. So this is all about the explanation, and I'll pass on to my teammate Pranay to show the execution. Thank you.
Hi everyone, myself Pranay. So now I'm going to explain about the web application. So this is the web application which we have created. So this is the front end of our application. Here we have used online crime reporting as our title, and we have created two modules. One is citizen login and the other one is police login. So I'm going to explain about the citizen login. So first, the citizen needs to sign up to log in to the web page. So let me create a account. So coming to that, PRABH Prabhas is his name. 2 3 4 5 6. Let me put a password. Prabhas@gmail.com. So let's give the phone number as 816785. Let's give a ID number, like for example driving license number. So 220 East. So here I have given a username and I have created a password for me. So now it says you are successfully registered. Login to click here. So login. So now I'm going to enter the username which we have created. Propose password. Submit. So this is the home page of our application. Here we have added some contact numbers, we have added some emergency service numbers and other important numbers. So if it's an emergency, the citizen needs to call to the 911 immediately. So if it's non-emergency, they can complain the file using the numbers it's displayed here or through the website. So our website is complaining a crime through online. So this is our home page. We have here register complaint, complaint status, add suspicious info, feedback, and login tabs. So to file a complaint, we need to click the register complaint button. We will be redirected to a complaint registration form. So here we need to enter all the fields here and push the button submit to submit a complaint. So for example, let me give me a complaint. My name Prabhas, email ID was at gmail.com. My mobile number 816785. So let me select a state. So let me select Delaware. Subject. So here we have added all types of crimes. So let me select vehicle missing is complaint. So place of occurrence, Florida, downtown. Zip code 34567. Description. I parked my vehicle at my home. It is missing. Let me give me this as a description. Submit. So you can see that your successfully registered complaints is popping up. So I can check the status of the complaint now. Let me enter my name and my mobile number. So see, we can see here my case number is displaying as 8, and a police officer named Dhawan is assigned to me, And here is the contact information of him, and the status is showing as pending. I can also add some suspicious info here. So I can add like if I see, for example, I saw him stealing my car through the window and I took some pictures of him. So I can add it here, like I can choose picture from my this data, and I saw him stealing it. So I can post it so that the police, it will be an additional information to my case. And I also had a feedback tab. So after finishing the case, they can give a feedback about it. And so next is the logout. So my partner Rajendra is going to explain about the next module.
Hello everyone. Now let us assume the case was assigned to me. So I can log into the police login module using the credentials. So this is police login module homepage. So now I can check the complaints assigned to me here. So my name is Daya. So right now I'm in Delaware State. So you can see there are 2 cases assigned to me currently. One is in Kansas City, another one is downtown. So based on the place of incident and the type of crime, police officer gets assigned to the cases. So I got 2 cases. Now I will start investigating these cases. I can also call the citizen who gave complaint, and I can take more details from him through phone call. So now let us assume I have solved one case. So then in that case, I can update the case here. So I have, let us assume I have solved the case registered by Prabhas and his case number is 8. So I can update in the website as solved. Status of the case as solved. So I'm submitting. So now I have updated the case. And here you can see the information tab given here. Here I can see the suspicious info uploaded by the citizen. For example, you can see Ramesh. He written he is my suspect. Here, if the Ramesh has uploaded suspect photo, we can see his photo over here. As he has not uploaded, we cannot see. Now I'm logging out. Now we have solved the case registered by Prabhas. Now let us check in by logging with his details. So based on mobile number, he can retrieve his case status. So we can see that the case registered by Prabhas, the status is showing us solved. So this is how our website works. After solving the case, you can add feedback by using feedback form. He can give any of his comments. So based on his comments, we can improve our website or our services like that. So this is how our website works and solve the cases issued by the citizens. Thank you, everyone.